Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can help prevent your external hard drive from humming. These external hard drives, usually when you plug them in, there's a small kind of humming sound that comes from them, and as soon as you put them on a wooden surface next to your television, you probably find that sound then gets amplified. So to help kind of reduce or possibly even prevent these things from humming, you might also find that if you've got a set-top box for your television or your satellite television, that these will also have a hard drive inside them, and they may also hum as soon as you put them onto a wooden surface. So to help prevent them from humming, what you can do is buy some of these. These are called heavy-duty felt pads. Now these are cheaper chips. I bought this complete pack here for £1.15 from the local supermarket. If you can't find them in the supermarket or the general shop, then you can search for them on eBay or Amazon. You can pick these up for less than £2, delivered straight to your door. So these are absolutely cheaper chips. These come in kind of all different sizes. You can see some circular ones here. You can also see there's big slabs, there's thin strips. So what I recommend you do, say for example you could take the thin strip, you can then cut that into 4 small pieces, which I've already done. You can then stick these to the back of your external hard drive. As you can see there, I have 4 felt pads. These are nice and soft and cushioning, so they help reduce the vibration from the external hard drive to a wooden surface. So simply stick these on. You can easily peel these back up as well, so there's no issues here. So you can then plug your hard drive in. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So like I said earlier, if you have a set-top box for your television or your satellite service, you can also stick these pads onto the bottom of the box, which will help prevent the vibration going through to the wood. So once that's on, you can then just simply put it onto your wooden TV stand or whatever. That should then help. I mean, I personally can't hear any kind of humming from that at the moment. You might still get a slight hum, but it should reduce it quite significantly. So that's fairly silent. I can only hear a tiny hum. I'm only sat around 2 feet away from it, so if I sat maybe 10 feet away I shouldn't hear that at all. So that's basically how you can either stop or at least help reduce the humming from an external hard drive. Thanks for watching.